The Nike LeBron 23 Motor King is here to honor one of the most legendary moments in LeBron James' career. A night that didn't just win a game, but announced his arrival as a true superstar. While many of his signature shoes celebrate his time in Cleveland, Miami, or Los Angeles, this one takes us back to Detroit, earning its fitting nickname, the Motor King. It pays tribute to the city known as the Motor City and the unforgettable night LeBron took over the court against the Detroit Pistons. We go all the way back to the 2007 Eastern Conference Finals. LeBron was only 22 years old at the time, young but already showing flashes of greatness. Facing a tough, experienced Pistons team on their home floor, the series was on the line. And then, LeBron did something that is still talked about today. He took complete control. In the crucial stretch of the game, he scored 25 consecutive points for the Cleveland Cavaliers. That incredible run lifted his team to a massive road victory, and it remains one of the most defining performances in NBA history. It was the exact moment when the world realized LeBron wasn't just a promising young player. He had officially stepped into superstardom. This colorway and concept aren't just about style. They are about capturing that energy and dominance. The Motor King title reflects how he conquered the Motor City that night, turning a hostile environment into his own personal stage. It honors the grit, the focus, and the sheer willpower it took for a 22-year-old to carry his team that far. Every detail of the design is crafted to reflect that chapter. The colors, the materials, and the subtle cues all point back to that iconic series, blending the spirit of Detroit with the legacy of LeBron's rise. The LeBron 23 Motor King is more than just another sneaker drop. It's a wearable piece of history, marking the night LeBron proved he could take on any challenge, anywhere. Stay right here on the Drai Code as we bring you the full design details, official release date, pricing, and where you can get your hands on this special tribute.